Have you ever wondered what the toughest animal on earth really is? And no, it's not a grizzly bear, it's not a crocodile, it's not even a great white shark. It's something so small you could fit hundreds on the tip of a little pin. Meet the tardigrade, also called the water bear. And by the end of this one, you'll understand why scientists are still amazed by it. At first glance, it doesn't look impressive. It's actually very tiny. It's slow. It kind of waddles around like it forgot where it's going. But don't let that size fool you. Because this little creature has survived things that would destroy almost every other form of life and somehow keeps going, that's only the beginning. Tardigrades live almost everywhere. They live in moss, they live on tree barks, in fresh water, deep in the ocean, even on icy mountaintops. Chances are, one has been closer to you than you ever realized. They're hidden in plain sight. When disaster strikes and water disappears, most tiny animals would die. Not the tardigrade. Instead, it curls into a tiny ball called a ton. Its body loses almost all its water. Its metabolism slows to nearly nothing. It's almost like pressing the pause button on life. Scientists call this cryptobiosis, and it's one of the most incredible survival strategies ever discovered. The crazy part? A tardigrade can stay in suspended state for years. Then once water returns, it wakes up, it stretches, and keeps walking as if nothing even happened. Imagine sleeping through years of bad weather and then waking up perfectly fine like, okay, let's go. Now here's the moment that made the entire scientific world pay attention. Scientists launched tardigrades into space. No air, no atmosphere, intense radiation, the vacuum of space. Conditions that should have been impossible to survive. Yet many of them lived right through it. Some even reproduce after returning to Earth. That's almost unbelievable. How can they do that? Part of the answer is their remarkable protective proteins. These proteins help shield their cells from damage when they're under extreme stress. Scientists are studying them because one day they could help preserve medicines, protect living cells, and maybe even make long-distance space travel safer for humans. This tiny animal could help shape the future of science. The more scientists study tardigrades, the more questions they have. How did such a tiny creature evolve abilities this incredible? Why can it survive conditions that destroy almost everything else in nature? Nature still has revealed all its secrets, and this is what makes the tardigrade even more fascinating. The toughest survivors on Earth aren't the biggest, the fastest, or the strongest. It's a microscopic animal hiding in the mosses and puddles all over the world, quietly surviving challenges that seem impossible. The tardigrade reminds us that sometimes the greatest strength comes in a small package. If this incredible little guy amazed you, leave a like so more people can discover nature's hidden superheroes. Subscribe and follow for more unbelievable animal stories backed by real science. And let me know in the comments, what amazing animal should we explore next? Because nature's world is full of creatures that seem to be too incredible to be real.